Top 3 must-visit places in Alaska. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a breathtaking journey to the last frontier, Alaska. This vast and stunning state is home to some of the most incredible natural wonders in the world. So, let's dive right in and explore the top 3 must-visit places in Alaska. 1. Our first stop is Denali National Park. Located in the heart of Alaska, Denali is a wilderness paradise that's unlike any other place on Earth. The centerpiece of the park is Mount McKinley, the highest peak in North America. Visitors here can witness the awe-inspiring beauty of glaciers, tundra, and diverse wildlife. Whether you're into hiking, camping, or wildlife photography, Denali National Park offers endless opportunities for adventure and exploration. Just remember, it's important to respect the park's pristine environment and wildlife during your visit. 2. Next on our list is Glacier Bay National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This park is a true marvel of nature, where tidewater glaciers flow into the sea. It's a place where you can witness the raw power of ice meeting water. Exploring Glacier Bay means immersing yourself in a world of ice and water. Take a boat tour to get up close to the glaciers, and keep an eye out for humpback whales, sea otters, and other marine life. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience you won't forget. 3. Our final destination is Kenai Fjords National Park. This coastal wonderland offers a unique blend of rugged mountains, fjords, and icy waters. It's a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and wildlife lovers alike. One of the highlights here is taking a boat tour to witness the breathtaking calving of tidewater glaciers and spot orcas, sea lions, and puffins. And if you're up for a challenge, you can explore the park's many hiking trails that offer unparalleled views. So, there you have it, our top 3 must-visit places in Alaska: Denali National Park, Glacier Bay National Park, and Kenai Fjords National Park. Alaska's natural beauty is truly incomparable, and we hope this video has inspired you to embark on your own Alaskan adventure. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and be sure to subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.